Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing emoji assets and importing them into your project. Pick PNG or SVG files with transparency so they act as overlays. Once done, drag them into the media pool or use File Import Media. Make a new timeline that matches your video resolution and frame rate to avoid scaling issues. Next, place your base clip on video track 1 so you can add emoji on higher video tracks and control timing precisely without altering the original footage. Now place the emoji on a track above your main clip and open the inspector to transform it. You can adjust position, zoom, rotation, and anchor to place the emoji where you want it. Make sure to choose screen fit or fill as needed. To animate, set keyframes for position and scale at different frames. This creates motion that follows faces or objects. Also, use composite mode and opacity to blend emoji naturally. Once animated, scrub the timeline to fine-tune easing and timing. Finish by refining motion and exporting properly. For tricky movements, open Fusion and apply a tracker or parent the emoji to a tracking node so it follows motion automatically. Make small adjustments like motion blur and slight opacity changes to blend the emoji into the scene. Finally, export with the correct codec and settings. If you need an overlay file, include the alpha channel. If things go wrong, recheck track order and alpha. Most visible issues stem from wrong track placement or missing transparency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.